Hey everybody, welcome back to Something New at Something New episode this week. We wanted to cover our brand new shipment of our sorbet colors in our no iron shirts. Yes, no iron. This is that same fabric that you can put in the wash, put in the dryer, and then pull out, shake out, hang up, and it's all done. So, and it works that way, ladies, it really does. So, we've got three new beautiful colors in it: a beautiful sand color, a mint, and a drop dead gorgeous blue that I'll cover in this segment. And I've got the mint on in one style. Each one is a different body style. So this one is an A-line with pockets. We love this shirt. We're all obsessed with it. It's a different style than what we had in before in the white and the light pink. It's an A-line. So what that means is it starts here and tapers out. Great for someone that is a pear shape or someone that has a little bit of a tummy to cover up or disguise, maybe someone that just had a baby or anyone else that is just, this is your travel area. This is a great shirt. It just has a nice flow to it. It's 3/4 sleeve, a really simple back, but again, just a really nice cut. Longer tunic length, and I'm showing with white pants, equally as beautiful with navy or jeans or black. So great shirt in a mint color. The collar on this shirt is amazing. It's a statement collar. It's got a nice wider collar to it. A little bit of V coming down to the first button right here. Great for a statement necklace here. Or what we show here is something that's a little bit more casual, a longer necklace on the outside of the shirt. So I'll be back in the sand color in just a moment. I'm back in the sand color shirt, and this is a different style. It's a full button down, but it's got a placket front so you don't see the buttons. It's also a full sleeve, really pretty. Obviously you could cuff this up too to give it a little bit more casual look. And this is a little bit straighter cut with a little bit of just a scoop on the side here and a really simple bag. Love this sand color. This is the first shirt that sold when our shipment came in. Just beautiful and really super pretty all year long with jeans. White is beautiful with it. We're showing it with white, but equally as beautiful with jeans. Again, navy pants, beautiful skirt for church, or many different ways you could style this. A little vest would be really cute too. So this is the sand. We'll show you the blue in just a second. Everybody, I'm back with the third color. It is coastal blue. Again, it's a no iron shirt, a full button down. This one is a 3/4 sleeve without a turned up cuff. And the back on this shirt is super cool. It's got a pleat in the back, which makes it super fun. The difference on this one is I am wearing a size 10 on this shirt, and the others that I had on were size 12. So just to give you some reference, this is a cool Zenzi necklace that we have styled with this color or this shirt. I also have our Southern Gates pendant and our Southern Gates jewelry on with actually all three shirts that I showed. I also didn't cover the casual look for the beige shirt in the sand, and so this is one of our agate necklaces that looks so pretty with for a right now look. And so that's a really neat way, and we'll style those or link all those products underneath the feed on Facebook. So be sure to look at those product feeds underneath the Facebook post. We have a really pretty little tassel clutch too that looks just perfect with all of these. They blend beautifully with the sand and all the other colors. Bring a little bit of spring into your step and just bring the whole coastal vibe and the pastel vibe into your wardrobe. So thank you all for watching our Something New at Something New with our new no iron shirts. Hope to see you soon at Something New on Broad Street in Fuquay Varina. Please call us at 919-557-9984 to order, or we can help you with sizing, or just come on in and visit. Thank y'all.